Look at how dirty the floors are.
Yeah, feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them rafters.
All right, that's enough. Today we have our first Airbnb guest in this new property. If you haven't been to the channel before, my name is Lili. This is where I document my journey to financial freedom through real estate investing and business building. This is a new build property that we're using for Airbnb, and I got a notification late last night that we got our first booking. It's gonna be a one-night stay. Almost everything is completely set up, so me and my dad are getting that taken care of this morning. And then once we're done here, we're going over to the house that you guys saw in the Tenant in Jail vlog, where one of my tenants went missing, and it turns out that he actually got arrested and was in jail. He pretty much trashed that property, and I asked you guys what you thought I should do with it, whether I should put it back as a long-term rental or if I should put it on Airbnb. And so we are gonna test it out on Airbnb, and I'll be updating you guys on how much money we make over on my TikTok. So if you're not following me there, follow me there. But for now, let's head to Target and get some of the stuff that we need to finish up. Jeez, we're at Target. That is nice. $7, get it. Pickleball! We got a little bit distracted with hats and pickleball printed clothes, but we're getting a TV for the Airbnb, and I think that's all we need from here.
Came from the bottom, my enemies know that I got it. I'm planting my seeds in gardens, then watching them sprout and harvest. The greatest was always in my plans.
My mom just texted us to grab some board games. Oh, I saw this on TikTok. Let's get this because I want to play. It's like one of those, I'll find a video, but yeah, we're gonna get this one. It's all good, Daddy. This is how you vlog. It's supposed to be casual. Normally my dad would pick these up, but it looks cooler for the vlog if I do it myself. I was very, very tempted to get some Starbucks, and my dad had to run and get something, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get it.
And I always do it big because I can. Do it big because I can. And I always do it big because I can. And I always do it big because I can.
Checking to make sure that we have hot water. We should, but it's like the little things that you don't think of if no one's been in the house before. All right, hot water's working. So this is 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. This is the back, or the second bedroom. So simple bedroom, it's the back door. This is the main bedroom. And then this is the bathroom. And this is the window that I have the blind for. But yeah, it's a nice bathroom. I love this flooring. This is the kitchen. And there's laundry over here. So those are gonna go into like locked storage for future guests. There's a fire extinguisher, bug killer, iron, and we set out some laundry pods. We'll set up the TV and we'll take the mirror out of here. And then we'll be good to go.
Product of the city, kept it solid like it should be.
Perfect. Don't forget Uno. You got your knife? You didn't stop and read before you removed the TV from the box. It's not direction following. I'm an instructions reader. They're labeled left and right.
I like this. You taking the lead on your channel.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. My arm's gonna get tired though, so you're gonna have to do the rest. Oh, wow. You let me struggle. Wow. Not cool.
Real cool, you say?
Not cool.
I got a TV, Lili.
It worked out. Got it. Whee. Nice. All right, so we're ready for our guest. You can see got some snacks laid out. I got some waters and whatnot in the fridge. Over here, got some, what's it called? Laundry stuff for them, laundry machines. I locked up our cleaning cabinets, so all our extra supplies are in there. And yeah, it's good to go. Excited to see how this first guest goes. They're only staying for one night, but I'll leave on this front light for them. And we're out of here. Cool. I have a Saturday pickleball group that I have to get to, and then we're gonna go over to the other house and get that one as close to completely done as possible. It needs to be clean, it needs to be furnished, and we're gonna try to do everything today. See you there. This is the Saturday group. So there's a bunch of us here. What's up, Ryan? You out of here?
Yes. Oh,
Yeah.
Ryan's like one more game in.
I wish I could stay, but I gotta get run. Later, dude. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. All right. I played for 2 hours, which is plenty. And I played for like 4 hours yesterday. So I don't need to play no more. But now it's time to go to the other house and start cleaning and getting it furnished. All right, time to get some stuff from Walmart to furnish this house. I'm pretty much just gonna get like all the same stuff that I got for the other Airbnb. So same towels, same bedding, etc., since I already know what we want. Okay, let's get this. All right. I think I am about full. So we're gonna go with this, we're gonna check out and go clean and set all this stuff up. And then that'll give us a final list of whatever's remaining. And we'll get this thing up and running. It's Saturday, so I wanna finish all of this, get more stuff for tomorrow and put it in. And then Monday, I'll show you guys, but the stovetop that the tenant just completely destroyed, it gets here on Monday. So then when that gets here, I'll take pictures, and my goal is to get it listed by Monday night. All right, I didn't want to take too much of their time at the checkout, but you guys saw the total. Hopefully we can furnish this whole place for like less than $1,200 altogether. Because I already got a couch, and I'll still need to get a couple other things, but we should have most of the big items taken care of.
Ratchet, sincere, and sarcastic. It's a dog-eat-dog world. I'm a pit to your poodle. No room for shame, and I'm all out of fucks. Still got the cum from the burp in my guts. Still got the scars on my thighs.
All right, let's see where my parents are and if I have time to go to the dollar store to get a couple more small things, or if I should just go to the house. We went to Chipotle instead, but we're here, we're fed. I can't think of anything else to rhyme with that. But first order of business is to get this place relatively cleaned up so we can start doing small repairs, and then hopefully start bringing in all the stuff that we purchased today and getting it situated.
He loves me, he cares for me. I'm hypnotized every time he falls on my feet.
So this is what he did to the stovetop. The replacement one is coming in on Monday. And then down here, he's got a bucket under the sink as if there was a lift or a leak. But when I test it, nothing. But it's super dirty, so maybe there was a leak, or I don't know. Who can guess what he was doing? Check the hot water. Hot water works. Me and my dad hung the drywall in this place. We installed this cabinet. We painted this cabinet. Installed the counters. Did this tile backsplash. And he didn't treat it well, but we'll have this cleaned up in less than another hour. And it'll still be a money-making asset, which is encouraging. So for some reason, the guy put a bunch of these like random nails. I don't know if he was hanging stuff from them, but we're getting those taken out. And then we're gonna nail gun that back up as well as make a couple other minor repairs. Of course, get that replaced when the thing comes in, and then we can start bringing in the different stuff we bought. This is the bathroom. It's kind of small, so it's not great to film in, but sink, good size shower, and then toilet over there. So pretty usable bathroom. This is the utility closet, so the water heater's in there, the plumbing for the sink, and yeah. A hit.
Hit.
Miss. Hit.
Hello, fly chick coming through. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's not too bad. You just rinse it. Cool. So this thing does, it's a mini split, so it does the heat and the AC for this small space, and works really well.
No need to pretend. Haters gon' talk but still hating in the end. No need for approval to find my own brain. Success is my language, I speak it unchained. Confidence, self-love be defined. I'm the blueprint, you know, but we're fine. The boss in the game, ain't nobody like me. If you're looking for the sauce, I got the recipe. Swag is so fierce, is the language I speak. Unmatched confidence, my power, my peak. No crown needed.
Thank you, sir. My mom is disgusted. Look at how dirty the floors are. We're gonna have to mop like 20 times in here. This is just to get it clean enough to bring in the stuff. What you think?
It's hard as hell. They ain't living in here. They only in here for a couple of months.
They better like each other too.
Yep.
They're gonna be close.
For the sauce, I got the recipe.
All right, that's enough.
Maybe that's the old man dance he was doing with me when I first met him. Like this.
That was cute though. I need her to be careful, lady.
You stung me like a bee, and you put your sting like a piece of art, just like
I made a G today.
But you made it in this laser way.
That's the way it is. Track you up, track you up, track you up. That's a spider.
That's a leaf.
Spider.
It's a beetle bug.
All right, so this is what it's looking like right now. At the front, we've got the small couch. There's gonna be a TV stand and a TV right there, and then the other hanging light. Still gotta clean the bathroom tomorrow. We're gonna leave this shelf up for like towels and stuff that they might need, but we'll find out where to put it. Gotta replace this, which will be here Monday, and just clean all this stuff out. Bunch of towels, blankets, etc. are right here. The other lamp, that's right there. Gotta get the bed frame. There's the TV. But yeah, that is pretty much done. So come back for part 2, where we'll be finishing this up completely, as well as deciding what we're gonna list it for on Airbnb, and we'll get it live and see how long it takes to get our first booking. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, my baby.
Thanks, Dad. We're not brave enough to open this fridge. We think we think one of my brothers checked it and cleaned it out, but we'll wait for my dad to do that next time. So be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it.